If you need to know how to pair Roku remote because your device is completely frozen, the fix depends entirely on your remote style. Check the back of your remote. If it has a physical button inside the battery door, hold it for 3 seconds until the status light flashes. If your remote has no pairing button, put fresh batteries in. Then press and hold the back and home buttons together for 5 seconds until the light blinks. If the light flashes but nothing happens, your Roku's receiver cache is jammed. Unplug the Roku's power cord for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and repeat the button hold during the reboot. Still stuck? Download the free Roku mobile app on your phone to use it as a temporary remote. Go to Settings, select Remotes and Devices, click Add Devices, and select Remote. Put your physical remote into pairing mode now to force the connection. Wait for the flashing light. Connection should begin. If the remote still will not connect, move closer to the Roku device during pairing. This reduces signal interference and improves pairing success. Also keep the Roku away from soundbars, USB hubs, or crowded wireless devices while pairing. If pairing randomly disconnects, inspect the battery contacts inside the remote for corrosion or weak spring tension. That is how to pair Roku remote regardless of which hardware model you own. Like and subscribe for more smart home fixes.